Fixing a broken button on the front seat of a Tesla Model 3. Someone was a bit enthusiastic while getting into the car, and the whole button is partially removed. So to solve this, we have to replace the complete inside unit, which I bought on Ali. And you can remove the front panel partially by removing this screw, which is down here. And secondly, you can remove these screws inside here and here and one here, so 3 screws this size, and all of them are torque bits. This one is 20. I don't know if you can see it. So I'll go on now trying to remove the second part, which is holding this cover, because otherwise it's very difficult to reach the control unit, and I want to replace the complete control unit because obviously this whole part is broken off, which is part of the unit, because I think it's this one. It's this one that's broken off. So, to be continued. So finally I was able to remove the complete panel, because this is holding it down here in this area, and it's a plastic thing which is very difficult to remove, but with some prying from the inside and from the bottom you can move these plastic things together, and then it lets go. So now I'll remove the whole unit. Last bolt here. Remove this cord, of course, and then start with replacing the part. So the parts you can see now. This is the front button, which I carefully pulled off with 2 screwdrivers. And the problem is this button, and as you see is that it broke, the lower part has broken off, and a part of it is still inside this. And in the new device you see this one sticking out, which is no longer here because it has been kicked into pieces by someone getting in with the with too much enthusiasm. So problem is I bought a new button and it doesn't look like at all as the standard button. So problem. So since I don't have the proper button and I have to wait a week for the proper button to get here, I'll try to glue this part, and to help the gluing I'll drill through the button and fix it with this screw, put some glue on it, turn on the screw, and then let it dry, and then try to refit it again, because it has to click into this hole. As you can see, this is the old unit, and as you can see on behind, it just has to go through this, and then it has to grab on both sides of the hole. So let's try that. So part 2, I installed the unit and the button, and I'll order a new button, because I figured that I would be able to install the button afterwards, after I've just reinstalled all this, and it's working fine. So yeah, just reinstalling this, ordering button, click the button later, and then it's all done for, I believe, less than 30 euros. So it's a part from AliExpress. So yeah, you can do it yourself. You just need this Torque 20, and that's enough to remove it all. Put the seat in a high position so you can remove that screw in the beginning. That's the first thing you should remove, and the rest is easy. Nice.